Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Listen, I was so excited about recording this video. I don't even know what to call it. I haven't even called it anything yet. But I was really excited about sharing this concept because it's going to allow beginning musicians, people who have just learned triads, and if you've learned the power chords, you're going to be able to start playing triads in a more advanced fashion. It's going to sound much more advanced. It's going to sound much more professional, and you've probably only had a few lessons. So that's the goal, is to make all of these concepts available to just the regular hobbyists. So let's jump into the video. If you followed the other videos, you would have already learned power chords. You would know what power chords are. Chord that has a root in the fifth. And we're working with 6 of them. And in the last video, we worked on triads. So now this video, it's still triads, except for we're going to, instead of playing the full triad in the right hand, you're only going to play the third, which is that middle note. That's all you're going to play in the right hand. So if you have a 1 chord, you're just going to play this chord. If you have a 2 chord, that note, you're just going to play this note. If you have 3 chord, you're just playing your middle note. 5, middle note, and 6. You're just playing your middle note. So that's why it's important that you really know these chords. So you don't just have to look at them, you know exactly what they are. So you can play any note out of the chord whenever you need to play it. You have to be able to just access it, okay? And in the left hand, we've been playing this for the last few lessons, these power chords. So you guys should be really familiar with that concept, right? So now when we put both of these things together in your right hand, my triad looks like this. So we're playing our third here of our chord. So we go to the 2 chord, it looks like that. That's 3, power chord left hand, third. That's your 4 chord, that's your 5 chord, and that's your 6 chord. Now let's play them back down. You see how much different that sounds? That's a little bit fuller, and you don't always need all of that. And sometimes if I play this, I can move a little faster. Now if I try to do that with all of the chord, see that? Much different sound. And so you probably hear that in church a lot. And all I'm doing is moving through the power chords, just those 6 chords that we've been working on this whole time. One of the cool things about using these chords like this is that it allows me to get movement, be melodic, without having to do a lot of work. So, for example, I can just repeat this note. Just repeating the middle note, 6. Just repeating. 5. Just doing that. Just see how and it's really just adding a concept to a concept. Master one concept, then you add to it. Now in earlier videos, we were doing this thing where we were kind of rolling the left hand, that type of thing. Remember the power chords, and we'd play both power chords, that type of thing. Well, watch what I can also do something similar to that with just playing this. That sounds like something. And that's me just doing it straight, not changing up the rhythm, But if I just change up rhythm a little bit, now here's something really cool I can do with this. If I just double the top note, it's the same thing. Now the sound just got much bigger. It's still just this one note. I just doubled it. So it's just taking one concept and you just add and keep building onto it. I hope you guys learned something in this lesson. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and comment. Let me know if you're learning things. Let me know if the things are making sense. Let me know if you have questions. Maybe there's some concepts or something you've come across that you'd like explained. Let me know that in the comments as well. All right. Thanks again for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.